Let's learn and speak. Hello everyone and dear children, once again welcome back to Let's Learn and Speak French with English. Before entering into the video, please consider to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting upcoming videos. Hi, hello everyone. Once again welcome back to Let's Learn and Speak French with English. Today in this video, we are going to learn about the French sounds AN and AM. How to pronounce these sounds AN and AM in French. Now let's learn about how to pronounce the vowel A when it is followed by the consonants N or M in French. When the vowel A is followed by the consonants N or M, then it should be pronounced with the nose. So it is called a nasal sound. Let us see how it works. To pronounce vowels, air always goes through the mouth. A, E, O, U, Y. So the letter A in French is pronounced as A. When we pronounce A, the air only goes through the mouth. A. A. What happens when all these vowels are followed by the consonants N or M in French? When a vowel is followed by N or M, then it should be pronounced in a nasal way. So, to pronounce these nasal vowels, air always goes through the mouth as well as through the nose. That's why they are called nasal sounds. Let us see how it works. The letter A in French is pronounced as A. A should be pronounced through the mouth. So, when we pronounce A, the air goes only through the mouth. Whereas, to pronounce A when it is followed by N or M, it should be pronounced with the nose. A. A. Let's practice. A. 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 This is like when we are humming with the letters M and N, we feel vibrations in our nose. M, N. So, if we touch our nose during humming, then we feel the vibrations in our nose. M, N. Now, we are going to learn French words with the sound A. Les mots français avec le son A. So, let's get started. Alors, allons-y pour commencer. Une plante. A plant. Une plante. A plant. Une orange. An orange. Une orange. An orange. Ma tante. My aunt. Ma tante. My aunt. Un pantalon. Trousers. Un pantalon. Trousers. Un manteau. A coat. Un manteau. A coat. Un chanteur. A singer. Un chanteur. A singer. Une branche. A branch. Une branche. A branch. Les vacances. Holidays. Les vacances. Holidays. Dimanche. Sunday. Dimanche. Sunday. Des chansons. Songs. Des chansons. Songs. La grand-mère. Grandmother. La grand-mère. Grandmother. Le grand-père. Grandfather. le grand-père, grandfather. Des enfants, children. Des enfants, children. Les gants, gloves. Les gants, gloves. 50, 50. 50, 50. 40, 40. 40, 40. 60, 60. 60, 60. Blanc, white. Blanc, white. Blanche, white. Blanche, white. Grand, big. Grand, big. Grande, big. Grande, big. Méchant, nasty. Méchant, nasty. Méchante, nasty. Méchante, nasty. Méchant, méchante. Bad. Chanter, to sing. Chanter, to sing. Danser, to dance. Danser, to dance. Ranger, tidy. Ranger, tidy. Mama, mom. Mama, mom. Or mama. Bon, bench. Bon, bench. Ruban, ribbon. Ruban, ribbon. Dans, in, within, into. Dans, in, within, into. Avant, before. Avant, before. Devant, in front. Devant, in front. Quand, when. Quand, when. Une ampoule, a light bulb. Une ampoule, a light bulb. Une lampe, a lamp. Une lampe, a lamp. Des jambes, legs. Des jambes, legs. Une chambre, a room. Une chambre, a room. Le jambon, ham. Le jambon, ham. Le tambour, drum. Le tambour, drum. Le champignon, mushroom. Le champignon, mushroom. Ambulance, ambulance. Ambulance, ambulance. Le bambou, bamboo. Le bambou, bamboo. Le champ, field. Le champ, field. Accompagnement, a camp, acampement, a camp. Let's meet in the next video with another French sound. Until then, please keep watching my channel. Merci d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe for more interesting videos.